Hi everybody, I'm Adam.
And I'm Baby Sloth.
And today we're going to be playing Tetris on the microbit.
Yes, we are.
So as you can see, I can move the shape left and right, rotate.
Never actually seen this before.
You've never seen this?
No.
Oh, I can rotate the shape by pressing both the left and the right button. There we go. Or you can just move the shape left and right by the left and right button.
If you get a whole row, doesn't it disappear?
Yeah, look, ready?
Yeah.
Bang!
That's cool.
Uh-oh. I died! So, as you can see, with only 5x5 LEDs,
And
it's quite tricky.
can I have a go?
You can have a go. What I'm going to do is, through the magic of video editing, cut to you holding the microbit. Go for it, Harry!
Oh, I don't know the... Oh.
Pressing both the left and the right buttons rotates the shape. Oh, that was really rotated. Oh, no. You're going to find this trick. End of the game. You're going to go again?
Yes.
Game over. What you can do to reset it quickly, instead of having to wait, you can just press the reset button that's on the back.
Yeah.
And it starts again. Get ready. Go. Rotate it.
It rotates too fast.
It is very fast. Maybe we'll have to look at the code. Maybe somebody wants to edit the code, which, as you'll see later on in the video, the download link is on the website.
This is so hard.
It is hard. I'm going to talk about how it's made as well. I'm going to show everybody how you can download this and how you can play it yourself on your own microbit.
It goes too fast.
I do find it challenging changing or rotating the shape, sorry. Did you know if it's too bright as well, you can change the brightness of the LEDs?
Yeah.
You have to do that in the code.
Over.
All of the code. So this was just meant to be a very, very quick overview of what the game is like, a Tetris-inspired game on the microbit. Now what we're going to do is hop on over to how this code looks and how we can get it installed on the microbit. Head on over to iNimbleSloth.com/Tetris. Scrolling down the page slightly reveals the 4 Tetris-inspired bricks that are available within the game. The controls of the game are fairly straightforward. Button A moves left, button B moves right, and pressing both buttons at the same time rotates the brick. The microbit has a display made up of red LEDs. These are arranged in a 5x5 grid, so there's a total of 25 LEDs. For the game, we will use these LEDs as the screen to play on. Within the code, you'll see that the LEDs are turned on by setting the value to 9, and turned off by setting the value to 0. If a memory location contains the value 1, then this is outside the displayable area of the screen, and therefore classified as the edge or border of the playable screen. Here we can see how the bricks are represented by 9s within the memory of the program. These 4 number 9s represent the square brick of 4 LEDs, which we can see here. If we scroll down a little further, you'll see the code. Now you can either copy this code and paste it into the microbit.org coding site, or if you prefer, I've already pre-compiled it as a hex file. All you'll need to do is download this pre-compiled program, extract the zip file and copy the hex file onto your microbit. So let's copy the code and then paste it into the microbit.org coding site. Get rid of any code that's already on the site and just paste in the code from iNimbleSloth.com. Click the download button to download a compiled version of the code. If you look here, you can see the memory locations storing the status of the LEDs, whether they are on or off, and the border, which is set to level 1. Note that the brick shapes are also defined below. If the bricks are too bright for you on your microbit, just reduce the number from 9 to a lower level. So all that's left to do is connect your microbits to your computer and copy the hex file onto the microbit. To restart the game, press the reset button on the rear of the microbit. Enjoy! As always, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and comment and subscribe. See you next time.